IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkane. Cycloalkanes are monocyclic saturated hydrocarbons with the general formula CnH2n. These are the few examples which can be listed under that. IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkane includes the first four units of IUPAC name except the secondary suffix. Secondary prefix indicates all the substituents present in the system. Primary prefix indicates that it is cyclic in nature. Root word indicates the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain. Primary suffix is indicated by ane. Simple cycloalkane. These are the cycloalkenes without any substituents on them. So we have only primary prefix, root word and primary suffix. First molecule we are having 3 carbon atoms in it. So the name will be cyclopropane. Second one 4 carbon atoms, cyclobutane. 5 carbon atoms, cyclopentane. 6 carbon atoms, cyclohexane. In case of alkyl substituted cycloalkanes, ring is the parent hydrocarbon unless the substituent has more carbons than the ring. In this molecule, we have 6 carbons in the ring and 3 carbons in the side chain. So our ring will be the parent hydrocarbon. IUPAC name will be, secondary prefix is propyl, primary prefix is cyclo, root word is hex, primary suffix is ane. So the IUPAC name will be propyl cyclohexane. We need not have to indicate the position of propyl because it will be taken for granted as 1. Another example, we have 4 carbon atoms in the ring, 6 carbon atoms in the side chain. So our side chain will become the parent hydrocarbon and our ring will become the substituent. If we start numbering the parent chain, then we have 6 carbon atoms in the parent chain. So the name will be, at position 1 we are having cyclobutyl. Since it is at position 1, we need not have to indicate its position. Cyclobutyl will be our secondary prefix. There is no primary prefix. Root word will be hex and primary suffix is ane. So the name will be cyclobutyl hexane. In this molecule, we are having the substituent at position 1 and at position 3. So the secondary prefix will be 1,3 dimethyl. Primary prefix is cyclo. Root word is hex. Primary suffix is ane. So the IUPAC name will be 1,3-dimethyl cyclohexane. In this molecule, if I start to number from this point, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will be having the substituents at position 1, position 2 and position 4. Let us try other possibilities. If I start to number from this substituent, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will have my substituents in position 1, 2 and 5. If I try to number from this substituent, I will number it in different color. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will have my substituents at position 1, 3 and 4. If we use our lowest low control, then first position is tie in all the 3 cases. And if we observe the second term, so here it is 2, 2, 3. So first 2 locants will win over the third one. Now since it is a tie with the first and second locant sets, we have to go for the last term. 1 to 4 in the first case, 1 to 5 in the second case, 1 to 4 will win over other two. So our yellow numbering will be the appropriate one. If we try to write the name of the molecule, then this substituent will take up the prefix name propyl. This will be methyl. This will be ethyl. Alphabetically, ethyl wins over methyl and propyl. So, secondary prefix will be 4-ethyl. Then comes methyl, 2-methyl, 1-propyl will be our secondary prefix. Primary prefix will be cyclo. Root word is hex. Primary suffix is ane. So the name of the compound will be 4-ethyl, 2-methyl, 1-propyl cyclohexane. While arranging in the alphabetical order, C of cycloalkyl prefix should be considered. In this molecule, this will be our longest chain. So if we try to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So at position 1, we are having cyclopropyl as the substituent. This is cyclopropyl. This is methyl. This is isopropyl. If we observe their first letter, I, M and C, C comes first. So our secondary prefix will be 1-cyclopropyl, 5-isopropyl, 2-methyl will be our secondary prefix. No primary prefix. Root word will be non and primary suffix will be ane. IUPAC name will be 1-cyclopropyl, 5-isopropyl, 2-methyl nonane. Last example. In this molecule, since we have more number of carbon atoms in the ring will be the parent hydrocarbon. Let us try to number from this position. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have substituent at position 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7. If we try to number from this position, then we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Our locants will be 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7. If we try to number from this position, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our locant set will be 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. If we try to number from this end, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our locant set will be 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7. If I try to number from this end, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my locant set will be 1, 3, 4, 6 and 7. If I use my lowest locant rule, then first position is a tie in all the set. Second position, last set is having higher number over here, so this is ruled out. 1, 2, 4 is common in the first 4 set, so we have to go to the fourth position. With the first and the fourth locant, we are having a lower number at position 4. And so first and fourth will win over the remaining 3. But if we look into the first set and the fourth set, since they are same in all the numbering, further differentiation we have to do by using their substituent name. Let us try to write that. This will be cyclobutyl, cyclopropyl, cyclobutyl again. This is isobutyl. This is isobutyl again. With the first set, at position 1, we are having cyclobutyl. With the fourth set, at position 1, we are having isobutyl. Since letter C comes first in the alphabetical series, cyclobutyl wins over isobutyl. So, among these 5 sets, what wins is the first locant set. So, the secondary prefix for this molecule will be 1 we are having cyclobutyl at position 1 and position 4. So secondary prefix will be 1, 4 dicyclobutyl. Then comes cyclopropyl, that is at position 2, hyphen 2 cyclopropyl, and then we are having at position 5 and 7 isobutyl twice. So 5, 7 diisobutyl. This will be our secondary prefix. Primary prefix will be cyclo. Root word is oct. Primary suffix is ane. So the IUPAC name will be 1,4-dicyclobutyl, 2-cyclopropyl, 5,7-diisobutyl cyclooctane. Next lecture will be on IUPAC nomenclature of alkene and alkyne. Thank you.